parallelize loop over numpy rows. I need to apply the same function onto every row in a numpy array and store the result again in a numpy array. Function does some non-trivial filtering of my data and returns an array when the conditions are true and when they are false. Function can either be pure Python or Python compiled. The filtering operations on the rows are complicated and can depend on previous values in the row. This means I can't operate on the whole array in an element-by-element fashion. Is there a way to do something like this in dask, for example?
Dask solution. You could do with dask.array by chunking the array by row, calling map_blocks, then computing the result. By default this will use threads. You can use processes in the following way. Pool solution. However, dask is probably overkill for embarrassingly parallel computations like this. You could get by with a thread pull. And you could switch to processes with the following change.
Turn your function into a universal function, this URL. Then, states equals function array, args.
If you want to play, please consider subscribing.